FLYSURFER kite works with a frontline safety system. After you activate your quick release, the control bar will slide up a front line until it reaches the stopper knot. The kite will flag out on this single front line and will come to rest on the water in its normal wind range. After flagging out, the kite can be reset on the water and relaunched again. Work your way up the safety inline until you get to the control bar. Be careful not to get tangled in the loose inline. When you reach the bar, secure the inline to your harness hook. This is done by wrapping the side of the inline, which is under tension, 2 times around the harness hook. Now, the quick release can be reset with both hands. Let the chicken loop go and unwrap the inline. Make sure you have a good grip on the inline as you hook in the chicken loop and secure it with the chicken dick. Slowly release the inline bit by bit. Make sure that it has not wrapped itself around any part of your body. Do not let the inline slip too quickly through your fingertips as to avoid getting burns or cuts. Afterwards, relaunch your kite with one line or use reverse relaunch.